This is how you can remove transitions on all slides in Google Slides. As you can see here, I have a presentation where every slide contains an animation transition. And if you want to remove them quickly, you must select all the slides from this document. You can click on any slide and then press Ctrl A or Command A on the keyboard to select all of them. You can also use the keyboard shortcut by clicking on the very first slide and then press and hold the Shift key, and then go to the last slide and then still pressing the Shift key on the keyboard and then click them. So the effect will be the same. It will select all the slides from the presentation. After that, go to the transition menu, and then you want to change the animation from anything to none and click apply to all slides. And there you go. You can see that all the icons that is representing a transition in each slide are gone, meaning that these slides are no longer have animation transition when you are presenting them. So that's how you can remove transitions in Google Slides.